makes my day. Oh.
Seen her on the beach, she was wrapped in a towel. Her body so endowed, seen her ass crack the smile. Enjoying the now, take it, the breeze in. On some cat and mouse and she busted cheese and the sun eased in on our conversation. California, dreaming about Californication. Said she had some drinks in the cooler and I had an invitation. If I wanted, I could brew up. This is just an indication of how cool she was. A couple of chicks came up giving groupie love. They ain't want no pictures, only to be hugged. I'm thinking, damn, that's really cool because sometimes I wanna chill. Sometimes the best things in life are not in your plans. You came to the sand and got more than a tan. Baby girl, I'm a man, and we can do this my way. Take a ride on the highway and pretend like it's Friday and it is.
Shining brighter, 'cause you really make my day. Yeah, you really make my day. Oh. Yeah, I think I like her, 'cause she really makes my day. Yeah, she really makes my day. Oh.
She was at a barbecue, pretty painted nails, she took off her shoes. She was show and tell like it was grammar school. Sipping on some L, I'm thinking, man, she cool. Sun smiling on her hair. Hey, they playing spades and we could be a pair. She had a spread on her, I could see it from a chair. I love it when it's sunny, girl, you can be my share. It's Independence Day and free is in the air. We danced and danced away, yo. Showed her how to step, it's like a tango. By her body angle, I could tell she liked me. She got me a play, girl, you're sweet as icy. Spicy talk, it's all drip from my lips. To chips and let's dip. We can do something hip. Take a trip around the world in a day. Play Fiona A, let your worries blow away like it's all okay, and it is.
Shining brighter, 'cause you really make my day. Yeah, you really make my day. Oh. Yeah, I think I like her, 'cause she really makes my day. Yeah, she really makes my day. Oh. Oh. Sun is shining brighter, 'cause you really make my day. Yeah, you really make my day. Oh. Yeah, I think I like her, 'cause she really makes my day. Yeah, she really makes my day. Oh. Oh.
In the crown of the metropolis, shining like who on top of this? People was hustling, arguing and bustling. Gangsters of Gotham, hardcore hustling. I'm wrestling with words and ideas. My ears is pricked, seeking what will transmit. The scribes can apply the transcript. Yo, this ain't no time where the usual is suitable. Tonight alive, let's describe the inscrutable, the indisputable. We New York, the narcotics, draped in metal and fiber optics. Where mercenaries is paid to trade hot Stockton for profits. Thirsty criminals, dick pockets. Hard knuckles on the second hands of working class watches. Skyscrapers is colossus. The cost of living is preposterous. Stay alive, you pay or die, no options. No Batman and Robin. Can't tell between the cops and the robbers. They both partners, they all heartless, with no conscience. Back streets stay darkened, while unbelieving hearts stay hardened. My ego talent stay sharpened, like city lights stay throbbing. You either make a way or stay sobbing. The shiny apple is bruised but sweet, and if you choose to eat, you could lose your teeth. Many crews retreat, nightly news repeat. Who got shot down to lockdown? Spotlight the savages, NASDAQ averages. My narrative grows to explain its existence amidst the harbor lights which remain in the distance. So much on my mind that I can't recline. Blasting holes in the night till she blends sunshine. Breathe in, inhale vapors from bright stars to shine. Breathe out, you smoke, retrace the skyline. Heard the bass ride out like an ancient maiden call. I can't take it, y'all. I can feel the city breathing, chest heaving against the flesh of the evening. Sigh before it died like the last train leaving.
Breathing in deep city breaths, sitting on leadership steps, we stoop to new lows. Hell froze the night the city slept. The beast crept through concrete jungles, communicating with one another, and ghetto birds will ward us forth from the hydrants to the gutters. The beast walk the beats, but the beats we be making. You on the wrong side of the track, looking visibly shaken, taking in plungers, plunging to death that's painted by the numbers with crawl on applied pressure. Cats is playing God but having children by a lesser baby mother. But okay, we played against each other like puppets, swearing you got pulled when the only pull you got is the wool over your eyes. Getting knowledge in jail like a blessing in disguise. Look in the skies for God, what you see besides the smog is broken dreams flying away in the wings of the obscene. Thoughts that people put in the air, places where you could get murdered over a glare. But everything is fair, it's a paradox we call reality. So keeping it real will make you a casualty of abnormal normality. Killers born naturally like Mickey and Mallory. Not knowing the ways will get you capped like an NBA salary.
So much on my mind.